Ithuba lethu yakwamaqoma izibonakalise umdlalo osaqala kwibala iWolfsburg ukuba ifuna ukuba ziintshatsheli ngethuba lala kuqala emgceni ihamba phambili ngamanqaku kunesikolo iHummersdorp. Eli qela linkqunqelelabulela emgceni. Ngesiqingatha sesibini iHummersdorp iye yaziphindezela izama ukubethwa ilwile. Lo mdlalo uphele ithuba lethu iphumelela ngamanqaku angama-35 kwali-12 yabe ithuba lethu iba ziintshatsheli. Umqeqeshi wezintshatsheli uMxolisi Kolotsa novuyayo iqela lakhe liphumelele uthi bancedwe kuwulungiselela lo mdlalo.
Preparation for this boys is starting East London. This is where we're starting from Lunica. We're preparing for this cup because we know the boys is only few things. We're going to conditioning, we're going to details according individual skills for them to achieve, especially for this final. So from January, we make sure we want to win all the games. We don't want to lose any games. We go back to Queenstown. We said we're not going to lose any game in Queenstown. And then we come back with winners. For 10 games, they win. It's only 5 tries. They score from them. And then after that, it's this victory for today. Especially there's old guys from Tubaletu. It's them, they're pushing this card, Illuminati. Those guys, they're working a very, very long road for these kids to make sure they achieve what they achieved today. It's them, they make sure the preparation for the players, they have to work as a unity because most of them, they're coming from Tubaletu. It's where they're pushing to kids to achieve this now.
Umqeqeshi weHummersdorp uyayincoma indlela abadlale ngayo abadlali bakhe.
It was a tough game. We were ready for the game, but we beat a better team today. We played against a better team and we gave them all the credit today. But I'm proud of my boys inside. They are heartbroken, but I'm proud of them. It means a lot. Look at it. Look, they're back there. We're very proud. Our own community is proud of the school. It's our first time. We're very proud. We can't be ashamed of our performance today. So there is a question that one because our school, Hummersdorp Secondary School, went through a dub last year. We lost a player, we lost a pupil, and that's when we came back. We started to fight back, and the rugby boys improved our school image in the world.
Umseki wale tumente uthi le tumente iyakhuthaza abadlali bombhoxo abasakhulayo.
It means everything to me. This is a movement. This is a movement where school rugby in townships and villages is really shining. The talent that's there is shining. The supporters are coming out in villages, in townships, in inner cities. Kids are saying our past should not determine our future. Just give us a chance. And that's what Super Squad Schools has done, to be able to showcase. And so the support we've got from you as the media, you've now showcased these kids. And these kids' lives will never be the same. Hummersdorp asked to join the tournament in November. They were new. And everything they've done is to showcase the talent that sits in that Kucha municipality. These guys are so talented. And today they've made it to the final. On the other hand, Tubaletu, that have lost twice, painfully, they went back to the drawing board. They knocked out Nzondelelo, the defending champions, in the quarterfinals. And today, they're tasting the sweetness of victory. This is growing the game. And so today we'll be announcing that we're starting rugby leagues after the tournament so that we keep this momentum going.
Ithuba lethu iphumelele isixamali esingangamawaka50 eerandi, iimbasa zegolide kunye nendebe. iHummersdorp yona ifumene amawaka25 eerandi kunye neembasa zesilivere. Kwiindaba zeMPK TV, ndinguLinge Gcwabe, uLufsini, Gqeberha.